this video, we are going to be making 3 different wellness shots. All of the ingredients that you need are in the description below. My goal in crafting these shots was to get the most amount of nutrients possible with ingredients that had immune boosting and cleansing effects. Hey guys, I'm Kristen and I'm about all things holistic wellness for the mind, body, and soul. If this is the type of content that you enjoy, then hit that subscribe button below. When I filmed this video, my husband and I had just come down with a cold 2 weeks before we were supposed to leave for our first big international trip since having a baby. So we needed to get well fast, and these shots really helped with that. I love making wellness shots at home because you know exactly what's going into them, how much of what you're getting. You can make them as strong or weak as you want, and you can save a lot of money. The recipes I'm going to be sharing are enough to make wellness shots for 2 people for an entire week, taking each one of the 3 shots once a day, in the morning, in the middle of the day, and at night. Let's get into it.
I am going to be using a juicer to make these shots, as well as these 2-ounce glass shot bottles from Amazon to store the juice in, but you don't need to store your juice in these types of containers. You can just store your juice in any sealed container in the refrigerator. The first wellness shot that we are going to make is our Glow Green shot. The ingredients that you're going to need is 1 bunch of celery, 3 Granny Smith apples, 3 handfuls of watercress, 6 to 8 handfuls of power greens, 1.5 limes, and 1 whole pineapple. The pineapple is actually one of the reasons why I love this shot. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is an enzyme that supports the immune system. Make sure to juice the core of the pineapple because that's where the concentration of bromelain is the highest. The shot also contains celery juice, which is really beneficial for fighting inflammation and supporting digestion. The shot as a whole is really high in vitamin C, which contributes to immune defense by supporting various cellular functions of the innate and adaptive immune system. It's also loaded with nutrients. It contains watercress, which is a powerhouse, one of the most nutrient-dense foods that you can eat. Watercress also contains natural compounds that support the body's detoxification process to help excrete toxins from the body and aid in liver function. Once you're done juicing, you're going to want to give it a really good stir. Overall, this shot is super sweet and energizing, and I like to drink it first thing in the morning. The second wellness shot that we are going to make is our Rooted Immunity shot. The ingredients that you're going to need are 5 cloves of ginger, a 2-inch knob of turmeric skinned, the juice of 1.5 limes, 2 to 3 oranges, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 6 to 8 carrots. This shot is also really rich in vitamin C. Notably, it contains gingerol, a major bioactive constituent of ginger, which helps with cold symptoms. It contains curcumin, an active compound in the turmeric that has been shown to modulate the activity of immune cells to enhance the body's ability to fight infections. And the cayenne pepper stimulates the mucous membranes of our nose and sinuses, which can lead to decreased congestion. Overall, this shot is warming and immune fortifying. The third wellness shot that we are going to make is our Violet Vitality shot. The ingredients that you are going to need include pomegranate juice. We just used this whole container of pom. It was much easier than trying to juice pomegranates. Black seed tea, we did 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of black seeds. A 2-inch knob of turmeric skinned, 2 cloves of ginger, 3 gala apples, and 1 cup of blueberries. I wanted to mention that it's a good idea to give your juicer a little rinse in between shots so that the flavors and the colors don't mix. We did not do this, and the shot ended up with a little bit of green foam at the top, but that's fine because we just skimmed it out. This shot is an antioxidant powerhouse with the blueberries and the pomegranate juice. It has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties from the black seed, and it has the same benefits mentioned before from the ginger and turmeric. Overall, this shot is super restorative. It tastes tangy, but also sweet.
Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, share it, and hit that subscribe button for more. I'll see you guys in the next one.